So I got my new Generac home standby generator installed yesterday, and had several issues to overcome to actually get this thing running. So I thought I would share this with my YouTube channel because it might be helpful to other folks out there having some issues. Um, so the Generacs, they can use two different types of fuel, either natural gas or LP gas. And the first issue that I had was this natural gas, LP gas selection switch was not set correctly. You can see it's marked NG for natural gas and LP for liquid propane. I am on liquid propane. This came from the factory set for natural gas, so the first thing I had to do was rotate this thing. So it just rotates 180 degrees back and forth. So switch that to LP gas. Another problem I had, this is the solenoid for turning the gas on and off. This wire here was disconnected. It was just dangling by the battery there. So I had to connect that so that it would actually open up. There's a solenoid valve in here to let the gas flow, so that had to be turned on. And I also checked several other things leading up to that. My regulator at the unit, this is the gas line coming into the unit. Now in my particular case, I do not have any gas valves here, but a lot of people do, so you want to check to see if a gas valve is turned off there. I do, however, have a gas valve at my LP tank. Had to check that as well. So this valve right here, and it is on now. It was off previously. You can tell that it's on because it lines up, the knob lines up with the line. If it's perpendicular to the line, now it's off. So we want that on. And another thing you want to be careful of, switching between the two. Make sure in your setup, when you're going through the initial setup, you select the fuel type that corresponds to your fuel type, either LP or natural gas. That's during the initial setup wizard, which I did myself. I knew that was selected correctly, but that can be changed if you go into the edit menu. I believe there's another YouTube video out there on that, so I'm not going to go over that. But that was everything I did to troubleshoot to get this thing started, and it's working now. So hopefully this video is helpful to some folks out there.